FreeRun Bearing Co Ltd is specialized in exporting and producing miniature bearings made of FreeRun hardened rolling bearing steel, ceramic and carbon materials. The standard range covers bearing from 1 mm to 18 mm bore and 3 mm to 45 mm outer diameter. In addition to this, we also manufacture special products as per customer's special design. Founded in 2010, the company is located in the Fuzhou city of Fujian province of China. It has a main area to produce miniature ball bearings, including chrome steel bearing, stainless steel bearing, thrust ball bearing, needle bearing, ceramic bearing, flange bearing, plastic bearing, dental bearing, thin section bearing, etc. Its automatic bearing production lines are of most advanced level both at home and abroad, and produces 15 million pieces of bearings annually.
Means I'm ready for adventure. So girl,